My name is Samant. I'm partner and chief architect at Squares Design Studio. Today we are talking about our project Vertical Sanctuaries. This project is located at Kukatpally, which is a closely packed and one of the vibrant neighborhoods in Hyderabad. It's a north-facing plot. Width of the plot is around 45 feet and 67 in depth with a 30 feet wide road. Talking about the design concept of the project, we have designed or inspired by the nature's nesting. As you see the elevation of the building, we have ample balconies on the north face and give ample sunlight to the property. Once you step out from the lift onto the third floor, you are greeted by a beautiful stone mural which is of Lord Ganesha, which is designed in marble pieces. We have ample natural light coming from the northeast balcony into the drawing room. Also a low height window which we placed behind sofa set with a plantation to have that indoor outdoor connect, and ample sunlight coming from the bottom window for the plants throughout the day. Once we cross drawing room, we come to the dining space where we have double height space with a dry landscape on one side, and on the other side it houses a metal staircase. As the building has closed buildings on the other sides, very less gap in between the buildings, neighboring buildings, we have tried to create privacy along with natural sunlight coming through the skylights. So in the third floor, the double height space, what we try to do here is we have taken skylights at two levels. At one level, we have created a puja space which has a separate skylight, a sleek skylight behind the puja unit, where the natural light cascades into the puja unit, which creates the divine feeling. The other side, which we created a metal staircase. If you see, to achieve privacy, we have created angular walls. On one side it's a solid, the other side we have created windows, a long linear slits for all multi-levels. The master bedroom we have designed where all the necessary requirements for a walk-in and wardrobes and the toilets, all the standard designs which we usually do for all the houses. Coming to the fourth floor, where we have designed two bedrooms for his two sons. So coming to the elder son, children bedroom 1, wherein we have created a big window behind bed, which has a clear view of the neighboring plot, big trees. So it's kind of a inside out connect which he will have throughout the day. Younger son bedroom, children bedroom 2. Here we try to create as many views as possible by having a big L-shaped window on the northeast corner. Also, we have designed his toilet with a skylight, wherein natural light coming into the toilet through a skylight over shower area. Coming onto the terrace, we have designed in such a way that it's purely entertainment purpose. So on one side we have created a home theater with a bar lounge area. All terrace is covered with lush green plants with curtain creepers from the roof. It looks like a tropical space where one can unwind themselves in the evenings with all the plantation. On one side we have created a small gazebo space with a cozy seating. So this gazebo is treated with a wooden pergola in a linear way, and then they have a stone backdrop with a wooden artifacts on the wall, which gives a perfect setting for an evening drink.